Today, the euro is not showing any activity after yesterday's rise. The pound sterling is a bit more active. However, it's fluctuating within the narrow range. There are several reasons for that. First of all, the macroeconomic calendar is not reaching events. Besides, market participants are waiting for the report prepared by the US Labor Department. The report is expected to unveil its weakest figures in the history. For example, the first data on the US unemployment rate was published in 1984. Only during the period from 1982 to 1983, the indicator exceeded the level of 10%. The all-time high of 10.8% was recorded in November and December 1982. However, analysts forecast a jump to 15.5% in April. Moreover, in 1982, the indicator was rising moderately, whereas in April the unemployment rate soared from 4.4%. The US Nonfarm employment change is one of the most important indicators. The first figures were disclosed in February 1939. Since then, economists have several times logged a drop in the number of new jobs. The weakest report was issued in September 1945, when the number of jobs declined by 1,959,000. Today's report may show a decrease of 21,780,000. In fact, the current situation is really alarming. The coronavirus crisis can only be compared to the Great Depression. Notably, the Great Depression was followed by a confident economic growth, as most economic crises. Thus, investors are only partially focused on the crisis itself and the depth of the economic recession. They are trying to predict how the global economy will recover and how much time it may take. Moreover, most market participants suppose that the US economy will be the first to spread its wings. That's why they prefer investing funds in the US assets, as they are expected to bring income faster than assets of other countries. Moreover, the US reveals its macroeconomic data without delay. Thus, despite the fact that at the moment most reports prove the worst recession, situation in other countries can be even more desperate. The main question that frightens investors is how deep the recession can be. Nevertheless, the expected report prepared by the US Labor Department may boost the US dollar once again. The euro-dollar pair managed to consolidate above 1.0775 and then hit the previous level of 1.0850. It's quite possible that the pair will hover between the levels of 1.0820 and 1.0860. Most traders are still focused on the level of 1.0850. However, the market activity may change. Buy positions can be opened above 1.0860 with a targeted level at 1.0885-0900. Sell positions can be opened below 1.0815 with a target at 1.0775. Yesterday, the pound-dollar pair showed rather higher activity. The pair dropped to the level reached on April 21st and rebounded from it. If the price declines below 1.2350, it may again reach the level of 1.2310. In other case, the pair may fluctuate within the levels of 1.2350 and 1.2415. Buy positions can be opened above 1.2420 with a targeted level at 1.2450, 2480. Sell positions can be opened below 1.2350 with a target at 1.2310. That's all for now. We wish you profitable deals. See you on our channel with a new video in a couple of hours.